So we are going to learn how to manipulate that text, which is where it gets really fun. Okay, I have a couple of different fonts. I have written my name in here. And I'm going to start off with this one, and I chose this font for a reason. You'll see why in a moment. Now, what I'm going to show you is how I can make this text into shapes that I can then move around and alter, modify, that sort of thing. As long as I have the bounding box selected, you don't need to select it like so. I just need the bounding box selected. You're going to go to Type, Create Outlines. Notice how we got a bunch of anchor points. Yeah. So now I grab that. Right now, they're automatically going to be grouped together. So if I click the M or the A, it's going to grab everything together. So I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to ungroup them so that they're unglued together. And now I can alter them around. I can change the angle of them and so forth. Now, because we have this nifty tool called the Direct Select tool, this also allows me to almost make my own font. Oops, undo that. Because I can take these anchor points and I can start to play around with them. Now, when this happens, you can't control how many anchor points get on there. It's just based on how many the program automatically sees it to need in order to make that into a shape. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll come in here and I will delete some extra anchor points that maybe I don't need for my design. And maybe now I'll take this one and I'll make this one bigger. I can stretch it out. I can take that line. Oops, not that one, this one. Not that either. Take that anchor point, move it into that E right there. I'm trying to get them all to kind of connect together here. Like so. Maybe I'll make that bigger. Now this is extremely ugly and I just wanted to show you guys how that works. You'll see in one of your text challenges for this project, one of your options for the text challenge is to take letters and make them into what it is. So let's say that you spell out the word pig and you make it look like a pig. And that's because you can take these anchor points and modify them into something interesting. So the possibilities here are endless. That's all I got. Why don't you try it out?